From the 1st of September, we are boycotting TikTok. If TikTok, the platform itself, won't pay South African content creators, we won't feed it. We won't tolerate it. We won't endorse it. We won't be.
Okay, okay, my brother, Professor Oxford. My bruela, ne? We can hear you clearly. We can hear you clearly, ne? But the problem is that some of us, like micro influencers, ne? We don't remember our passwords, dog. We don't remember our password. We cannot delete our social media pages and uninstall TikTok. So for you saying that, I know very well already. You can recover your account because now I don't remember the number I used to open this account. Also the email, I don't remember the password of this email. So you want us to delete our accounts and then uninstall the app. How will I recover my accounts? Do you know how many years it took me to grow this account? Do you know how many months and days it took me to make like 24k followers? For you it's simple, I know. For you it's simple because you know how to recover your accounts, and I won't be able to recover my accounts. I can see the number there, but I don't remember that number because it doesn't show in full that this number was made with Vodacom SIM or MTN SIM or any. But my brother, let me tell you something. You know what, I have an idea. September 1st, I got one TikTok like to share open us. It doesn't push our videos to wider audience. So what if us, we should open TikTok? You don't understand, and let me just explain. On that day, we don't upload. As content creators, we don't upload anything. We go silent, we go ghost. And then, after going ghost, we don't engage with other content creators